Welcome to a world of opulence and extravagance, a tour through 10 luxurious interior designs that epitomize the grandeur of Los Angeles living. Each design is a testament to the owner's discerning taste and the lavishness that defines their lifestyle. Step into a realm where luxury knows no bounds, where the richness of the owner's vision is brought to life through stunning details. Luxury marbles grace the spaces, imbuing elegance and sophistication at every turn. High-end furniture adorned with impressive fabrics resonates with refined taste and exemplifies the epitome of comfort and style. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel to join a community that appreciates the artistry of design and the pursuit of refined living. Let's celebrate the beauty of luxury together. Marvel at the interplay of textures and patterns, an artistic dance that transforms these spaces into opulent havens of elegance. Every element whispers of lavish living, inviting you to experience the true essence of indulgence and relaxation.